Does it feel like your bathroom always needs fixing? One week it's the grout, the next is the caulking, and before you know it, the whole space just feels outdated and harder to maintain. Small problems start adding up, and sooner or later, you start wondering, should I renovate now, or is it better to save? Hi, I'm Will Culleton from Bytown Better Bathtubs and Showers, and today I'm going to walk you through what actually affects bathroom renovation costs in 2026 and how to decide whether renovating now makes sense for you or if waiting is the smarter move. First, it helps to understand why bathroom renovations matter in the first place. Bathrooms are one of the most used spaces in any home. Over time, small issues like cracked grout, aging tubs, poor ventilation, or outdated fixtures can turn into bigger problems. What starts as a cosmetic wear can eventually lead to moisture issues, mold, or even water damage if left unchecked. At the same time, bathrooms are also one of the upgrades that consistently add value to a home. In markets like Ottawa, updated bathrooms often help homes sell faster and make daily living more comfortable for the people using them. So, if you're thinking about renovating, your next question becomes, what actually affects the cost? One of the biggest factors is the scope of the project. A full bathroom remodel where everything changes will naturally cost more because it involves more demolition, plumbing adjustments, and structural work. But if you're focusing on a targeted upgrade, like replacing an old tub or installing a modern shower system, the project can often be much more controlled and efficient. Another major factor is material selection. Different materials come at different investment levels. Things like premium wall systems, custom glass enclosures, and high-end fixtures can raise the initial cost, but many of these materials are designed to last longer and require less maintenance. That means less scrubbing grout, fewer repairs, and fewer replacements over time. Then there's the installation expertise. Professional installation isn't just about making the bathroom look nice. It ensures proper waterproofing, correct drainage, and compliance with building codes. When installation isn't done properly, small mistakes can lead to hidden leaks or moisture problems that become very expensive to fix later. And of course, timing also plays a role. In Ottawa, renovation demand usually increases during the spring and summer months. Waiting too long to book a project can sometimes mean limited scheduling availability or longer timelines. So planning ahead often leads to smoother projects and fewer rushed decisions. Now that you know what affects the cost of a bathroom renovation, the next thing is to consider is timing. Should you renovate now or wait and save? If your bathroom is showing signs of wear, water issues, or safety concerns, renovating sooner can actually prevent larger repair costs later. Renovating now can also allow you to lock in current pricing, increase your home's value, and start enjoying a more comfortable space right away. But waiting can also make sense in certain situations. If your bathroom is still functioning well, if you're planning a larger home renovation, or if your financial priorities are focused elsewhere right now, creating a savings plan before renovating may be the better approach. In recent years, we've also seen many homeowners take a middle ground approach, focusing specifically on the shower area instead of renovating the entire bathroom. Since the shower is typically the most used part of the space, upgrading it can dramatically improve both the look and functionality without the disruption of moving plumbing or rebuilding the whole room. Shower-focused renovations are often faster to install, require less demolition, and still deliver a major improvement to the space. So for many homeowners, that balance of impact, efficiency, and controlled investment makes a lot of sense. Bathroom renovations are a big decision, and having the right information helps you plan with confidence. Whether you decide to renovate now or wait a little bit longer, understanding the costs, the options, and what to expect can make the entire process much smoother. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more renovation insights. We'll see you in the next video.